What I don't understand is why can you not get your military records? What I don't understand is why is Veterans Treatment Court telling me that they have no proof that you were ever in the military? I don't understand this. I don't understand why you're telling me your military paperwork has burned. So therefore there's no, on this planet Earth, nobody has any military documents for you that you were ever in the military. What I'm telling you is, what you're telling me is similar to if my bar card burns to the ground and I can't prove that I'm an attorney. All right, where are we on this case?
Your Honor, the last time we were here in court, we were discussing the fact that we still needed a DD 214 in regards to move forward with any type of evaluation that you requested of us for him to potentially move to California. At that time, Mr. Chrisman told me that his uncle may have had it, his dad. There's a few family members had it, and you gave him until today to email me that hard copy of a DD 214. I've checked in with it a couple times. As of this morning, I still do not have a copy of the DD 214. And as of this morning, he also told me he does not have a copy himself.
All right, where is it?
Well, it burned up 2 years ago. So that's the only copy I had. And I was unable to get it from me and my family. But when we were last, I know that I did mention to you about getting doing the not through them, but through like a different like private one. And I did find one in California and one here that specializes.
No. Here's my question. My question is, have you turned over the documents to them?
No, I say no, man.
So
burned in the fire and I can't get access to it.
all right, so burned in the fire. So what you're telling me, and if I'm incorrect, just correct me. I'm not going to take it as a sign of disrespect. So what you're telling me, if somebody has been in the military and their documents are burned, it doesn't exist anymore. It's like you were never in the military. Is that what you're telling me?
No,
Once something burns to the ground, the military doesn't have anything and you can't get anything from the military.
well, there's a lot of troops out there that don't have their benefits and have had issues like this.
No. I'm talking about you specifically. So what you're telling me is, and correct me if I'm wrong, and I ask you this because I will tell you in my family, I would say out of all the male members of my family, only 2 have not been in the military. So what you're telling me is if you have documents from the military and they get burned, you're just out of luck. These documents don't exist.
Well, I never used benefits, never planned on it, and never needed it. So to me,
Well, I will tell you
I don't know
this.
how to gain access to it either.
I have a problem with you. I'm being told that you're testing positive for alcohol. So I'm going to help you.
Well, that's why I have the drug and alcohol program here, and I found a treatment program in California, especially in alcohol.
Well, I'm going to help you out here. I'm not allowing you to transfer to California until you get me the military documents. So that will help you.
Yes.
And probation, he's going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. So if you wish to transfer to California, then you bring me proof that you were in the military.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yeah.
So until I have that proof, you're not being allowed to transfer.
Okay.
All right, so we'll alter and amend. Do we have a motion to revoke heard on him, Ms. Abrams? Does he need to have the motion heard?
No, Your Honor, it's not one of these files.
All right, so we're going to alter and amend. You're going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And you're going to provide medical proof to probation for your use of oxygen. You understand?
Absolutely.
Probation, when do you want medical documentation of his issues?
By the end of the week, they're
All right. And who are you receiving health care through?
It's through Aetna. Aetna?
All right. Do you go to the VA or no?
No.
Have you ever been to the VA?
No.
All right. So you're going to have to provide proof of your medical issues to probation by the end of this week. So that's by October 20th. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because my concern is sometimes you have an oxygen tank, sometimes you don't. I don't know what's going on with you. So we're coming back on October 20th. And you need to have that information to probation. And your transfer to California is denied. So if you truly wish to go to California, bring me the military information. And if you do not have military information, or if you were never in the military, let the court know, and I'll consider something else.
Gotta figure out how to get hold of it.
I'm sorry?
Gotta figure out how to get hold of it.
Oh, it's easy. It's government. They will have your documents somewhere.
This would be a reference. Same place that we're talking about, going to be a reference of how you work. You'll be in.
Could you all do me a favor? Because I know you all have said you told him where to get his records.
Yes,
Could
ma'am.
you
we have-
write something down and
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
it to him?
And there's no record, Your Honor, of him ever serving in the military. It's the Department of
No,
Veterans
I understand that.
We'll
But
write something down.
Write something down
Yes,
for
ma'am.
him, so you will have exactly where you need to go. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
And we have assisted him in obtaining his records, Your Honor.
Well,
all right.
so, I mean, I have one step in California that's a inpatient,
Okay, here's the thing. Take California out of your mind,
and I don't know, because you don't have.
because you're not going to California until I get proof that you were in the military.
Well, and what if I can't get the proof? I don't, I mean,
Then you're not going to California.
So you were saying something about the essay recovery here.
yeah, it's, did you do an outpatient here?
No, inpatient.
Well, it doesn't allow me to work or bring any kind of income in.
No, you have to do inpatient if you want to do essay recovery here. It would be so simple for you to get your military documents.
I guess as you're making it to the simplest road, I just don't understand why last time you said it was okay to do it that way, and now you're taking it back, requiring this information.
What I don't understand is why can you not get your military records? What I don't understand is why is Veterans Treatment Court telling me that they have no proof that you were ever in the military? I don't understand this. I don't understand why you're telling me your military paperwork has burned, so therefore there's no, on this planet Earth, nobody has any military documents for you that you were ever in the military. What I'm telling you is, what you're telling me is similar to if my bar card burns to the ground and I can't prove that I'm an attorney. You're telling me there is no government agency
There's
that would have proof that you were in the military.
thousands of troops that can't get their information, can't get
All
benefits.
right.
That
So-
person never went to the VA, person never wanted benefits
Mhm.
or anything like that. Because the way they treat the troops and everything like that, I had my own money.
Okay, so
And
I
worked
want
hard
you to, hear me because I'm internalizing what you're saying. This is what I want you to hear me. You are not going to California until you provide me proof that you've been into the military. And you are to provide them by Friday, your medical documentation that you are on oxygen.
That's fine.
And the reason why is because some days you're walking up the stairs, you have no oxygen with you.
But
Then
one
other
time
days,
I ran out
you
of
don't.
oxygen.
So that's where we are.
One time, and I ran out last time, because I ran out of
Okay.
oxygen.
All right.
Kingston only was so much.
So you give me that information, then the court will make a decision on whether or not you can go to California. And I will explain it to you clearly. You want to go to California, you're telling me you have all of these resources there. Or not, because you say you're in the military, but everybody else is telling me you were never in the military.
Then you're telling me that's thousands of troops that can't find their information either and get benefits.
I don't have
Okay.
thousands of troops before me. I just have you.
Or is it, yes, it's an inherent problem. No, I haven't been
So-
looking for it.
That's where we are.
I just don't understand why you're putting a contingency on that.
Well, I mean, I've told you, I can't tell you anything else. So that's where we are.
So Judge, we omitted conditions for 90 sober support meetings in 90 days and for him to provide medical documentation for the oxygen and so forth by this coming Friday.
Mhm.
We have a reset warrant for this Friday.
Yes,
He's coming back here to court
yes,
to provide the DD 214 and the medical documentation. Is that
Yes.
correct? Okay, what would you like, just so that I'm clear
Mhm.
in regards to his in or outpatient treatment? that's
Inpatient
supposed to start here? Okay, and we want to wait until after Friday for that inpatient treatment to begin.
yes.
Okay.
I guess I'll see you Friday. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.